Is it the right time to buy or sell SOFI stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at SOFI. We previously shared a report on our website on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, and now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. From November 6, 2023, our system has identified SOFI as a sell candidate with a score of -3.37. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a loss of -0.13%. In simpler terms, this means an average loss of -0.02% per day since it was flagged as a sell candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a downward trend, indicating a potential further fall in the near future. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a projected -15.11% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges between -25.06% and -9.30%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 47.88% change in the stock's value over the next year. The potential return during this period ranges between 35.02% and 150.73%. This means that after a year, the stock price could range between $10.10 and $18.75. Our latest update on SOFI includes the headline, "A very strong day for SOFI stock price on Tuesday." On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, the SOFI stock price experienced a gain of 6.25%, rising from $7.04 to $7.48. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this trend continues or if there will be a minor slowdown in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $7.22 and a high of $7.53, reflecting a 4.29% change. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of -0.93%. Notably, the trading volume increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. Additionally, there were 4 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 38 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $282.92 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $11.70, while the lowest was $4.24. Currently, the price is 36.07% or $4.22 below the 52-week high. It is also 73.53% or $20.78 below the all-time high, which was reached on February 1, 2021, with a price of $28.26. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, October 18, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods upgraded their grade for SOFI from Market Perform to Upgrade. On Thursday, August 17, 2023, Citigroup gave SOFI a Buy grade with a Hold action. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods downgraded their grade for SOFI from Underperform to Downgrade. On Tuesday, July 25, 2023, Stephens initiated coverage on SOFI with an Equal Weight grade. On Thursday, July 13, 2023, Morgan Stanley downgraded their grade for SOFI from Underweight to Downgrade. SOFI stock has received a positive rating from analysts, with a general recommendation to buy. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are also rated as buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Let's dive into the signals identified for SOFI. Firstly, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. This indicates that the stock is showing positive momentum. Volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals to take into account, which may impact the short-term development of the stock. The SOFI stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. This means that the stock's long-term performance is not as positive as its short-term performance. The long-term average is currently above the short-term average, reinforcing the sell signal and indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.62. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $7.22. Breaking above the long-term average would provide another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average would strengthen the sell signal and overall negative forecast. Additionally, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 2, 2023. Since then, the stock has experienced a decline of -8.45%. This suggests that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a buy signal. Another signal to take note of is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The Bollinger indicator also suggests a buy signal, which occurred 37 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average is showing a buy signal that occurred 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average giving a buy signal 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is showing a sell signal that occurred 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signal updates. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. When it comes to support levels, SOFI has some key levels to watch out for. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $6.94 and $6.90. Testing a support level can be risky, as a break below it could lead to a further decline. If $6.94 is broken, the next support level to keep an eye on is at $6.90 and $6.85. It's important to consider the risk involved in trading this stock. SOFI typically has average movements throughout the day and trades with good volume. This puts its risk level at a medium. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.310 or 4.29% between its high and low points. Looking at the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 5.24%. Before we explore potential trading levels for SOFI, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. One key measure is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or generating negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative P/E ratio, it could be a sign of inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 29, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOFI. If SOFI experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $7.55. If you're thinking of entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. On the other hand, if you're already holding SOFI stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. SOFI encounters its first support level at $6.94. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, SOFI has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 9, 2023, Noto Anthony bought 44,000 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 9, 2023, LaPointe Christopher purchased 14,950 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 6, 2023, Stafford Webb Lauren sold 135,832 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 2, 2023, Borton Chad M. conducted an insider sell of 152,041 shares of common stock. On November 3, 2023, Webster Aaron conducted an insider sell of 215,299 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -22.011. In total, insiders have purchased 4,401,731 shares and sold 6,860,299 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock negatively and have not set a stop loss. Is SOFI stock a good buy? We have analyzed SOFI's performance and unfortunately, our findings indicate several negative signals. Based on this evaluation, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 15th, our projection suggests that SOFI will open down $0.0700 and begin trading at $7.41. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with our current view on the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.